Hello people, this is Henry Lucas from Brand Scenario, and today we're going to talk about the latest mid-range phone, the Vivo Y30. So let's get started. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. The Vivo Y30 comes with an HD resolution of 6.47-inch display that offers a visual feast for the user. The phone has two memory variants that are 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory and 4GB RAM plus 128GB memory. The phone comes with an eye protection mode that adjusts the display's colors to reduce the blue light for the ease of the user. The Y30's design is spectacular. It is elegant and refined down to its very last detail. The 3D effect is delicately designed to seamlessly vanish into the side panels. The Vivo Y30 comes in two color variants, emerald black and moonstone white. The color portrays great taste and poise. Now let's take a look at the camera. The Y30 offers four rear cameras stacked together. It has a 13-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel super wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel super macro camera, and a 2-megapixel bokeh camera. Now you can take smart-looking, clear and high-definition pictures with these uniquely stacked cameras all together. The phone comes with a powerful 5000 mAh battery that will make your experience with this phone so grand. You can rely on the Y30 as it will always deliver to your needs. The Y30 supports 9 hours of online gameplay and about 137.9 hours of local music. The Vivo Y30 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory is now available in Pakistan for Rs 27,999 only, with a 1-year official warranty, while the 128GB version of the phone will be available in markets on the 22nd of June for Rs 30,999 only. So does this phone cut the deal? I think it does. For the price tag it comes with, it offers extensive features while it makes its mark in the mid-range phone market. Will you buy the Vivo Y30? Let us know in the comments section below. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned to Brand Scenario for more news and updates.